Today is Saturday at Birds for You, and one of the important things we do regularly is refresh the toys inside our birds' cages. We've added musical toys, natural wooden toys, new perches, and different enrichment items to keep them active and engaged. Toys are not just for decoration. They are very important for birds' mental stimulation, physical activity, and overall well-being. Birds are intelligent creatures. If their environment does not change, they can become bored or stressed. But when they have different toys to explore, climb on, and interact with, they stay healthier, happier, and more confident. That's why at Birds for You we regularly replace and rotate toys almost every week. Because a healthy environment creates healthy birds. And when birds feel active and comfortable, you can truly see the difference in their behavior and happiness.